Oh. Hello guys, me Fox and Ron. Welcome back to Animal Crossing New Leaf. Sorry for no videos out yesterday. I was sick. And if you guys are gonna say that's no excuse, well, try waking up with a massive headache, feeling sick to your stomach, and feel like you're going to throw up by just standing up. Now you want to tell me something more, mister? I thought so. Anyways, besides me going cuckoo, welcome back. I really need to invest in stuff, but I don't have money. Nothing really interesting. I heard there's a Pokemon Direct out tomorrow, which I'm interested in. That's all I'm gonna say. E3 is not till next month. Flashing screen for you all, because why not? Lock it. Put it in your pocket. Uh-oh. Bear wants to talk. Hey Zach, I've been thinking I want to spread the good word about the town elsewhere. And I can do that by moving away. Yeah, by leaving Katu. I'm making my fame famous. I'm going to leave on the 12th of this month, Peach. Good plan. I don't like it. Thanks for that, Zach. Now I know I'm good. Doing the right thing. Yep. I don't like you. Why is every time I play Animal Crossing I sound either tired or, tired stuff? Probably because I have a sick mind, but, yeah, again, who cares? Hi, Goldie. Hello, Zach. Isn't this a perfect picnic weather? So, what's on your mind? Let's talk. The other day I saw a picture of a freshwater gulpy. It's the most beautiful fish in the world. It's invited my thoughts and I'm having dreams about it and everything. I really need to get one of my own. And I was hoping that Fisher Master Zach might be able to catch one for me. What do you say? Sure thing. Wow, that's great. I can't wait to see it. I prefer fishing in these games. They're the easiest thing for me to figure out and do. Plus, just look at my encyclopedia for once. This is not working out, so let's move all this around. Move my stuff. God damn it. Myself, and there we go. Screen's probably broken by this point from me dropping it from this moving. But then again, who cares? That's good enough. Looks slightly crooked, but who cares? Well, other than my crippling depression. I don't have anything else to say. So I'm just gonna run around town. Oh yeah, we have to visit Main Street, don't we? Yeah, oh, can't carry anything. Bury it. Carry money. The fist of shame. I'm just gonna make it Main Street to see the new place. Words come out of my mouth. Yes, yes they do. Yeah, I have money. TNT Mart, grand opening. Today, Nookling Junction reopens as TNT Mart. Come on by next time you're on Main Street. Timmy and Tommy. Yeah, I'm going there, but I keep getting distracted. Because I didn't play in one day, and now the town's covered in weeds. Oh, you sneaky little bastard. Okay, then. So this is TNT Mart. It looks like 7-Eleven. We don't have those around here. I've seen pictures. Welcome. Welcome to the grand opening of TNT Mart. Come on in. So, now with TNT Mart installed, we get 3 pieces of furniture every day. You get a wallpaper and flooring, and of course the wrapping paper and stationery. You get to pick 3 tools a day. These tools will change. And then you get 2 fortune cookies and medicine. Also, you see this little machine over here. Hit A on it. Welcome. Please enjoy Timmy and Tommy's shopping catalog. This is the catalog. Every item you buy will be entered into this catalog. 100%ing it is hard, because that means you have to get every single item in the game. And that includes music, clothes, which has many categories, and even the fossils and gyroids. Mr. Saturn gyroid, but that's a warbler. And those you can't buy. But, yeah. Thanks for using Timmy and Tommy. Actually, how much inventory? I don't have any inventory. Either way, I want to finish this off so I can actually fix up stuff. So, yeah, that's all I'm going to do today. Sorry again. I don't really feel good either. Hence why it's so short. So, bye.